Why should a foreigner fly to the Philippines or not? Do you like the direction Filipinas are headed, or would you prefer the old school traditional way? How do you respond to people who say Filipino women will end up lonely and single because they are adopting a Western mindset? Hindi, excuse me, sir. Di pwede ko ma-interview. Kahit 2 minutes lang, kaun-kaun pang coffee. Ano lang, 5 questions lang, super dali. Ano lang, opinion mo lang about sa new, like, Filipinas Union. Like, the modernized Filipina. Oh, opinion mo lang, kahit 1 sentence lang. Kamong gawa para may kaiba siya, may kaiba ka din. Okay lang, kahit 2 minutes lang. What are your names and ages?
Jalilil 22. Jalilil.
Jalaline. That's a very unique name. Beautiful as well. How about you, Beth?
Mariel 22.
Why should a foreigner fly to the Philippines or not?
Fly.
Okay, fly. Why?
To experience the culture, the fun, the hospitality of the Filipinos.
I do believe they must fly to the Philippines because Philippines has so much to offer to the foreigners, like food, the culture, and what Jalil said a while ago is the hospitality of the Filipino. I believe that Filipino people are very, very welcoming to the foreigners.
There's been a lot of talk lately about Filipinas changing and becoming more like Western women. How do you feel about that?
I feel like we're open to it. Like our style today, I feel like it's more on Western, and we're open for it. We're not.
Okay.
I think it's not that something bad to consider because I do believe that we should be open for changes. That's all.
Okay. How do you respond to people who say Filipino women will end up lonely and single because they are adopting a Western mindset?
Excuse me. Western people, I believe they like Filip Filipino woman because they are exotic. So I don't think I reject that opinion.
Okay. So there are a lot of Western men who would like Filipinas, right? So it's not like you're gonna end up becoming single.
Yes, very.
I do believe that Filipino women has a lot to offer, especially our cooking skills. And I do believe that one factor that attract men is our physical appearance. That's all.
Okay, I love that. Physical appearance. Okay. Now, in your honest opinion, who makes a better wife for foreigners? A westernized Filipina or a Western woman? Or are they the same?
The same, just the same.
Okay. No difference?
I feel like it is we are born to give ano to give a wait lang siya muna.
It's okay. How about you, Beth?
I do believe that they are the same because I think women are able to create a safe space for their partner and family. And I do believe that we women are born to care for other people. That's all.
It's not about westernized.
culture.
It's about women.
It's about the capability of a woman to care for other people.
I love that. Very positive, right? Just being equal. Okay. Now, do you like the direction Filipinas are headed, or would you prefer the old school traditional way?
I think the new generation.
I think that it can be combined. We can live in a traditional and a modern way at the same time.
What's your message to Western men coming to the Philippines looking for a traditional Filipina? And, like the Filipinas now they are westernized. Again, they come here looking for a traditional Filipino. They don't want the westernized, okay, westernized women. So what's your message?
I feel like they should still try and look for, because I think we are adopting more on style, the physical appearance, but our attitude and our way of caring for men is not westernized, I believe.
Still the same.
I agree what you said because it's the physical appearance that we're adopting. It's not the traditional way that we're disregarding. It's about the cooking we can offer. We can still cook for them. We can still treat them as a gold, and we can still offer care to them and feel like they are in home.
So, okay. Are you both singles be, or are you in a relationship? Let's start with you, Be.
No comment.
No comment. What is that? Like, I'm curious.
You should look for it.
You should. Okay.
And you should look for it. And
Look for her.
out.
Okay. That's okay. You're both 22. What are you studying, Be? Oh, nursing.
Yes, nerd.
Nursing. Bachelor of Science in Nursing.
What year are you now? First year, second year?
Fourth year, a graduating student.
This one here. Excuse me, pwede ka ma-interview? Para saan? Nag-vlog kami. 5 questions lang. Okay lang?
Hello.
Okay lang?
Sige po, hindi po mahirap.
Raymond, tawag ako mag-English. Basic lang.
Slide.
Oh, sige. Okay lang naman kita. What is your name?
Roxy.
That's a very beautiful name. The last time we interviewed Roxy, she's very pretty, just like you. Very pretty. Why should a foreigner fly to the Philippines or not?
Because Philippines is
Should fly here or not?
okay. Yeah, they should fly here because it's amazing here in the Philippines. Also in Bicol, it's actually great. There's a lot of things you could explore, like Mayon Volcan, and also Capitol, the CWC, and there's a lot of places here that are actually fun and enjoying.
Okay. There's been a lot of talk lately about Filipinas changing and becoming more like Western women. How do you feel about that?
Could you be specific about Western?
Like they're becoming more independent, like they're changing.
It's because some other Filipino boys doesn't know how to be consistent in other girls. That's why some women actually are turning into be independent, and some others are turning into like lesbians and also like bi for short. That's all.
Okay. How do you respond to people who say Filipino women will end up lonely and single because they are adopting a Western mindset?
Actually, it's a false alarm because if male could be just consistent in other girls, maybe we will change and turn into not independent. But actually now this generation is actually sucks already because not all male are consistent, and also some others are really playboy. That's all.
So it's in other words, Bea, you're saying that Filipinos are changing because of the men.
Yes.
Ay, Bea, excuse me. Bea, pwede ka ma-interview? Nag-vlog kami. 5 questions man lang. Okay lang. Parang may-interview ta ka na. I think we interview her.
Last 2023, I guess.
2023. Do you remember her, Masan? So, hi guys. So, this is her 3rd time. But for our new viewers, subscribers, please introduce yourself. First name and then your age.
My name is Janeth, and I'm currently 19 years old, turning 20.
Why should a foreigner fly to the Philippines or not?
I think they should, because Philippines is a beautiful country. There's a lot of things that they can do here. Like, um, of course, one of our tourist spots is our beaches. Like here in Bicol, we have, I don't know, wala pa ako ibang napupuntahan, but
Karamoan.
yes, yes, the Karamoan is beautiful. So I think they should, and a lot of pretty girls here in the Philippines.
Just like you. Very pretty, right? Okay, next. There's been a lot of talk lately about Filipinas changing and becoming more like Western women. How do you feel about that?
I think they just what do you call that? I think they just following the no, I mean they just following the what do you call that? I'm sorry, I'm not good.
You can say it in Bicol, be.
I think pina-follow nila lang po yung mga aesthetic, I mean mga viral
Okay.
So,
The global trend.
yes, that's what they call that.
The global trend. Now, how do you respond to people who say Filipino women will end up lonely and single because they are adopting a Western mindset?
I think that's not true because Filipino woman is a powerful and just like me. I think I'm not ending, I mean hindi naman ako magiging single. Sorry.
Okay. You mean you're not gonna end up single, right?
Yes. Because I think that's I think my fellow woman just know their worth, so I think they're like
They're not gonna end up single or alone.
yes, and they're just finding their worth. I didn't know
Partner, right? Their partner. Okay.
the right partner.
Right partner. Do you like the direction Filipinas are headed, or would you prefer the old school traditional way?
No, I think I like. Wait. I think what kind of old school tradition?
Like they're more no, because now they are more independent. I mean, independent, right? When it comes to financial decision making, they're more independent. So, do you like that, or do you like the old school way?
No, I like this more because my mother is a single woman and my father is parang nangabilang bahay na. So, I think this woman being independent in this country, especially in here in the Philippines, a very low income what do you call that?
You're trying to say that it's a good thing too that some women nowadays are independent, just like your mom who is single mom. Like she's doing all her best to take care of you or to like that.
Yes.
Okay.
That's exactly what I
Okay. Well, that's it, babe. Are you still single? Because the last time we interviewed her, I think you said you're single, right? Are you still single?
Complicated.
So that means single, right?
Yeah.
No label. And so studying,
In UNC University of
of course, babe. Sorry.
major in financial management.
She's so pretty, guys. I really love you. You have a pretty face. Well, anyway, thank you so much. We really appreciate your time. Third time. Third time. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we earn your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye-bye.
Beautiful reflections